Most of the minerals mined on the African continent are currently exported to other markets. They include silver, diamond, copper, and other precious metals. What this means is that the continent is missing millions of dollars just because of failing to add value to its natural resources. Currently, large amounts of gold are leaving Africa with no taxes being paid to their home countries. In Rwanda, gold mining and export has recently emerged to have a big potential, and a company like Aldango, which started activities in May 2019, is trying to turn around the fortunes.
What we do in Aldango, to the part of refining gold or refining gold in general, we receive scrap containing impurity and base metals, but dominated by gold and silver. Once we receive the scrap, we send to melting department, and then by using the electric endotherm furnace, we melt the scrap to make one big lot. Before pulling out the melted scrap, we take a deep sample and then send to laboratory to determine the concentration of gold and silver. This is the part of melting and laboratory. Laboratory, we are using a method called capillation or fire assay, where we determine the real concentration of gold and silver content. After, we send the scrap to refinery in form of popcorn or flakes. This is done just to increase the surface contact because the refinery is using the chemical process. For the refinery, we have a modern plant which is high performance or is giving the high purity. What we are using in the refinery, we use the method called aquaregia. It's a chemical process where we use chemicals like nitric acid and hydrochloric acid, and we determine the quantity of chemicals we use according to the quantity of gold we are going to refine. The capacity for Aldango refinery per day, we can produce 240 kgs per day. And the output we have, or the quality we have, it is 49 or 999.9. In percentage, it's 99.9. And for making the bars, this is a bar of 1 kg, and we have capacity also to do the TT bar, which is 116.65 grams. We can do also 100 gram, 500 grams. This is according to the order we have from customer.
Here at the Kigali Special Economic Zone, Aldango has established a factory that will process gold at a first-class standard, and the company aims to become a production center for gold mined from across Africa. Aldango's aim to be among the top refinery hubs in Africa is among others backed by the fact that the gold refined there will be cheaper and more efficient than taking it out of Africa.